Good day, everybody. How are you all? Today we are going to work on a problem on quadratic expressions. So I'll share my screen with you. The altitude or height in feet of a punted football can be represented by a quadratic function as h equal to minus 0.01 x square plus 118x plus 2, where x in feet is the horizontal distance from the point of impact with the punter's foot. Part A, find the vertex of the parabola. Part B, what is the maximum height of the punted ball. Part C, if the opposing team fails to catch the ball, how far away from the punter does the ball hit the ground? Okay, so we will work with part A first. Okay, so before I do that, let me change the color of the silver to the blue. Okay, so solution. Okay, at the part A, at the vertex, the height of the football is maximum. So we already know the expression for height. So let's write down. H is equal to minus 0.01 x square plus, this is actually 1.18. So let me correct that. Just give me a minute. I'll correct that. It's not 118. So this is 1.18. So this is 1. Oops. So, let me write with my blue ink. This is 1.18x. Okay. So plus 1.18x plus 2. Now at the vertex where the height is maximum, dh by dt, the first derivative is equal to 0. Actually it is, let me correct that, dh dx, and then so dh by dx is equal to 0 because height is expressed as a function of x, where x is the horizontal distance from the point of impact with the punter's foot. So let's do the derivative. So dh by dx is actually finding the derivative of the expression with respect to x, which is minus 0.01 x square plus 1.18 x plus 2. So plus, so let me erase this and make this. This is 1.18x. We can go back, plus 2 plus 2. So we have to find the derivative and equate it to 0. Okay, so that means derivative, we do the derivative of x square, we know is 2x. So minus 0.01 multiplied by 2x plus 1.18 equal to 0. Okay, because derivative of the constant term 2 is 0. So if you have to solve for x, so it is minus 0.02x, because 2 multiplied by 0.01 is 0.02, plus 1.18 equal to 0. If we add 0.02x on both sides, we get 1.18 is equal to 0.02x. Then divide by 0.02 on both sides. So x is equal to 1.18 divided by 0.02 is equal to 59 feet. X is 59. Okay, so x is 59. So okay, so what did I ask for? What is the, find the vertex of the parabola. Okay, so that is the horizontal distance of the vertex, and we plug in for h is a function of x is equal to minus 0.01 x square plus 1.18 x plus 2. Okay, so we plug in h of 59 as equal to minus 0.01 times 59 square plus 1.18 times 59 plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, and if I do the algebra correctly, height at x equal to 59 is equal to 36.8 feet again. So the vertex of the parabola is x comma h, which is equal to 59 comma 36.8. So that's part A. Part B, what is the maximum height of the punted ball. Answer, the height of the vertex equal to 36.8 feet. Okay. Part C, they ask if the opposing team fails to catch the ball, how far from the punter does the ball hit the ground? So part C, height of the ball is 0 because the ball finally comes to rest on the ground. So we know the expression for h. So h of x is equal to minus 0.01 x square plus 1.18 x plus 2. Now when it is h is 0, because it hits the ground, we have minus 0.01 x square plus 1.18 x plus 2. Now we will use the quadratic function to actually, before we do that, we will add okay, we will add actually 0.01 x square on both sides. So we will have 0.01 x square is equal to 1.18 x plus 2. Then we will subtract 1.18 x from both sides, and we will have 0.01 x square minus 1.18x equal to 2. Finally subtract 2 on both sides and we get 0.01 x square uh, minus 1.18x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. One thing we can do, we'll divide everything by 0.01. So the coefficient of x square becomes 1. So that way it will become x square minus 118x minus 200 equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation we have to solve. So we will use the formula. So this is like ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, and you know the formula, quadratic equation formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That being the case, let's plug in the values. So x, so in our case a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 118, and c is equal to minus 200. So x is equal to uh, minus 118 plus minus square root of b square is minus 118 square minus 4. A is 1 and c is minus 200 divided by 2 times a, or 2 multiplied by 1. So we have x is equal to 118 plus minus, inside the square root we have 118 square, because minus 118 times minus 118 is positive 118 square, and plus we have plus 4 times 200 is 800. Okay, and divided by 2. Okay, so we need to simplify this using our calculator. We will simplify it. X is equal to 118 plus minus square root of so let's see if I can use my calculator in my phone and do the calculation. So open the calculator. Okay, so the first thing we will do is find out the value of let's see if I can clear all of this. Okay, so let's do 118 square. 118 times 118 is equal to 13,924 plus 800 inside the square root divided by 2. So we have x equal to 118 plus minus, so let's see. So we have 13,924 plus 800 is equal to plus minus square root of 14,004 divided by 2. Now we have to take only the positive value of the square root, because although it is plus minus, distance cannot be negative. So x is equal to 118 plus, so I have to do the square root of 14,004, which is equal to plus minus 118 0.34 divided by 2. Okay, we of course we will only take the positive value, so only positive value will be taken. Positive value of x will be accepted is possible. So x is equal to 118 plus 118.34 divided by 2, which is equal to, so we have 118 plus 118.34 divided by equal to 236.34 divided by 2, and that is equal to 118.17. Okay, so this is the maximum distance that the punted football will travel horizontally. So maximum distance traveled in the horizontal direction by the punted football is is 118.17 feet. So that's your answer for part C. Let me quickly recapitulate what we did. So the first one was find the vertex. Now at the vertex the height is maximum. So if I take the derivative of the height with respect to x is equal to 0 at the maximum point, and we take the derivative, and that becomes minus 0.02x plus 1.18 equal to 0. Solve for x is 59 feet. Plug that back in the equation for a height with respect to x. So height at x equal to 59 is 36.8. Hence the vertex of the parabola is x comma h. X is the x coordinate, this is the ordered pair, h is the vertical distance, is 59 comma 36.8. That's part A. Part B asks what is the maximum height of the punted ball. Maximum height of the punted ball is at the vertex, which is 36.8 feet. Now part C, this is that the opposition team is not able to stop the football. So how far will it travel horizontally? That means when it hits the ground, height of the ball is 0. When the ball hits the ground. That being the case, we substitute h equal to 0 and solve for x square. That's a quadratic equation in x square, which is x square minus 118x minus 200 equal to 0. And then we use the quadratic formula. And the quadratic formula, x is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And a is 1, b is minus 118, c is minus 200. Okay, so in that case we solve for x, and we can only take the positive value of the x. We cannot accept a negative value of x. That being the case, the maximum distance that the football will travel horizontally along the ground is from the punter's feet is 118.17 feet. So I stop here today. If you have any question or comment, drop me a note and I'll reply to it as quickly as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That really motivates me. And if you like this video, share with your friends, you and your friends. Please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. Also, please hit the bell, because then you will be notified every time I upload a new video, which I do quite often. So please do not forget to watch me tomorrow, and please subscribe to my channel because I've solved all kinds of math problems just for you. Okay, see, and please do not forget to watch me tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you.